So you downloaded the EA demo. Let's figure out how to get this expert advisor onto your chart. First of all, make sure you're on the Euro versus USD and make sure you go to 4 hour because the EA is specifically for this chart. Okay, so let's go to our downloads. And when you download it, it's going to go to your downloads. If you're on a PC, it goes in your downloads section. If you're on a Mac, it's in your downloads. Anyways, so this is a zip file. Let's unzip this. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to unzip it into your computer. So I'm going to go to downloads, unzip it. Okay. So what you have here, and you could delete the zip file after that, we're going to import two of these files onto the MT4 platform. So you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder, and from here you're going to go, it's going to automatically open this. Go to MQL4. And now you got to go to experts. Okay, so you need to put the expert advisors into this folder here. Okay, so what you're going to do, go to here where you unzip the files and drag both of these files into your experts folder. And now you can close this. And now the little trick here is click on this little star button that's the navigator and you want to open this, okay? And so you don't see it in your expert advisors right here until you right click and press refresh. Okay? And then here is the demo. Okay, so what you can do is you're going to grab the demo or the EA onto your platform right here. Okay, now for the demo, you don't have the functions where you could change your trade size, the days you want to trade, the take profit or stop loss. You don't have the power for that. This is just a demonstration on how this thing works, and it does trade live accounts. You could actually make some real live trades with this demo, and that's the cool thing about this. Most EAs don't have that function. Okay, so we're done with this here. You want to make sure this is a smiley face right here. Okay, right now it's a sad face. So what you're going to do is go to auto trade, turn this on, and it's a smiley face. Now, if it doesn't have that, most of the time your settings will have this right here. So even though you press this, you want to make sure to go to Tools, Options, and make sure it says Allow Trading. And if you right click on the Expert Advisor, go to Expert Properties, Common, and make sure this is selected, Allow Live Trading. Okay, so what you do now is you just let this sit. So let your computer, don't make sure the screensaver is not on. Just turn off your monitor or whatever computer you're on. But this needs to be active. It's as if you were on the computer yourself. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right, and good luck.